Welcome to Genius Nature Herbs, exporter and supplier of herbal seeds, plants, and leaves. The company was incorporated in the year 2005 at Coimbatore. Our quick order processing and wide distribution network make us unique in the industry. Superior quality range, hassle-free transaction, and experienced workforce make us the preferred supplier in the industry. We offer a huge gamut of moringa seeds, soap nutshells and neem products. Our moringa seeds and products are widely appreciated in the market. Seeds and seedlings offered by us are best in the industry. Our project report and video movie of Yatrof are extremely reliable. We also provide soap nutshells that are nothing but the best solution for all your needs. Along with that, we offer neem products that are a class apart. To get the best deal in the vertical, log on at www.geniusseeds.com.